Go sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Grandpa Jack. Happy birthday to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life to you. Long. Happy long life to you.
Ray, cheese for Carla.
Ray! Ray!
Carla!
Yay!
You hit my mouth. I didn't see.
Oh, you didn't see it. No, you didn't know. You didn't know. Kimiara, this is going to go to the video. You didn't know. Okay, happy birthday, Grandpa Jack. I hope you have a lovely day today. And wish you and all the family many blessings. And Daddy is behind us, and he's not feeling too well today, but he's improved. And we wish you all the best, and we pray for the family and everybody there. Don't.
Happy birthday, Uncle Jack. Many happy returns of the day. And we hope to see you in the near future. Just like in Psalm 90 verse 10, that you have lived a very good life. We pray for you and Auntie Faye to have a great day today with the rest of the family and all the grandchildren and children. We love you so much. We miss you. Bye. Papa said bye too.
Hubert, say something, Hubert.
Uncle Jack, we love you so much.
Louder.
Hello, Uncle Jack, we love you so much. And we love you.